What is the universe? It is a question that has fascinated humans for millennia. From the earliest civilizations staring at the night sky to modern astronomers peering through powerful telescopes, the universe has always been both a source of wonder and mystery. But what exactly do we mean when we say universe? Is it everything we can see, or does it stretch far beyond our imagination? In this journey, we will explore the very nature of the cosmos, uncovering its origins, its structure, and the incredible forces that shape it. At its simplest, the universe is everything that exists. All space, all time, every planet, star, galaxy, and particle. It is the sum total of all matter and energy. Yet, despite this simple definition, the universe is far from simple. It is vast, almost incomprehensibly so. Our Milky Way galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars, each with its own system of planets. And the Milky Way is just one of more than 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. But the universe is more than just matter. Space itself stretches across unimaginable distances, and time flows alongside it. Together, space and time form a fabric known as spacetime, a concept first described by Albert Einstein in his theory of relativity. Spacetime is not static. It can bend, stretch, and ripple under the influence of mass and energy. This idea would revolutionize our understanding of gravity, turning it from a simple force into a warping of spacetime itself. To grasp the universe, we must begin with scale. Our planet, Earth, is just one small world in the vastness of space. Surrounding our sun are 8 planets, countless moons, and smaller objects like asteroids and comets. Beyond the solar system lies the Milky Way galaxy, spanning over 100,000 light-years across. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year, nearly 6 trillion miles. Even at this speed, it would take tens of thousands of years to cross our galaxy. The Milky Way is part of a cluster of galaxies known as the Local Group. Beyond that lie massive superclusters of galaxies, interconnected by long filaments of gas and dark matter. These vast structures form a cosmic web with immense voids between them. The observable universe, the part we can see, extends roughly 46 billion light-years in every direction. And beyond that, the universe may continue, possibly infinitely, beyond what we can ever observe. What is the universe made of? Surprisingly, the matter we can see, stars, planets, gas, and dust, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest is made of mysterious substances we still don't fully understand. About 27% is dark matter, an invisible form of matter that exerts gravity but does not emit light. We can infer its existence from its gravitational effects on galaxies and galaxy clusters. The remaining 68% of the universe is dark energy, a mysterious force driving the accelerated expansion of space itself. It is dark energy that stretches the fabric of the cosmos, pulling galaxies apart and shaping the universe on the largest scales. Together, ordinary matter, dark matter, and dark energy form the cosmic recipe of everything we know and, perhaps, everything we may never know. Modern cosmology tells us that the universe began roughly 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang. But the Big Bang was not an explosion in space. It was an expansion of space itself. At that moment, all matter, energy, space, and time were compressed into an incredibly hot, dense state. Then, in a fraction of a second, the universe began to expand, cooling as it did. In the first moments, particles such as quarks and electrons formed, later combining into protons and neutrons. Within minutes, simple nuclei like hydrogen and helium appeared, setting the stage for the formation of stars and galaxies. Light itself could not travel freely until roughly 380,000 years after the Big Bang, when atoms formed and the universe became transparent. A moment we observe today as the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of creation. Over billions of years, gravity sculpted the universe into its present form. Clouds of gas collapsed to form the first stars, which grouped into galaxies. Galaxies clustered together, forming superclusters connected by cosmic filaments. The universe became a complex, hierarchical structure, with stars, planets, and galaxies all woven together in a vast cosmic web. At the heart of many galaxies lie supermassive black holes, regions of spacetime where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. These black holes can influence entire galaxies, shaping the formation of stars and the distribution of matter. And throughout this cosmic landscape, the expansion of space continues, driven by dark energy, stretching galaxies ever farther apart. The universe is not static. It is dynamic, evolving over time. Galaxies collide and merge, stars are born and die, and black holes grow and consume matter. The expansion of the universe means that distant galaxies move away from us, and the farther they are, the faster they recede, a phenomenon known as Hubble's law. Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, has limits. It can take billions of years to reach us from distant galaxies. As we peer deeper into space, we look back in time, seeing galaxies as they were billions of years ago. Every observation we make is a glimpse into the history of the universe, revealing its ongoing evolution. Amidst this vastness, Earth may seem insignificant, yet it is our home. Humanity is a tiny but conscious part of this immense cosmos, capable of observing, understanding, and contemplating the universe. From the earliest astronomers to today's space telescopes, we have gradually uncovered the universe's secrets, revealing both its enormity and its beauty. The universe challenges our imagination. It stretches our understanding of physics, space, time, and reality itself. And yet it also inspires wonder, curiosity, and the desire to explore further. As we gaze at the stars, we recognize that we are connected to this vast cosmos, not just as observers, but as participants in its ongoing story. So, what is the universe? It is everything we know, and yet so much more that remains a mystery. It is a vast, dynamic, and beautiful expanse, governed by laws we are only beginning to understand. And while the universe is immense and ancient, our quest to explore it continues, connecting us to the cosmos in ways both profound and inspiring. The universe is not just out there. It is the stage on which all of existence unfolds, including us. And in seeking to understand it, we are, in a sense, seeking to understand ourselves.